Alright, we're going to try out these new CCI Copper 22 long rifles. They're the fastest round you can get for a 22 now. The bullet's actually made out of copper particles and a polymer mix. This is only a 21 grain bullet, so it's really light. So it has a lot to do with the velocity. We're just going to try it out on some various targets and see what kind of damage they do, since they're the fastest round you can get now. Alright, we're going to use a Ruger Mark 1 for the pistol and a Ruger 1022 to test out those copper rounds. First we're just going to do a little group on the target just to see where we need to hold for these. It's not necessarily trying to be accurate, we're just going to step back about 10 yards or so, take a few shots at it to see where we're hitting. I think you pulled left on that last one.
Yeah, I just pulled, that was all.
Okay, well, it's hitting there, obviously. He just pulled low once and pulled left once. Now I'm going to do a 1022 group here with the rifle. Okay, this is with the rifle. Pull a little high and left there. It's pretty much hitting dead center. I'll take 2 more shots and try to improve the group a little. Okay, that wasn't very far off, but these things are hitting dead on and they seem to group pretty well. So with the pistol, we had one pull left and pull low. With the rifle, I think I started out with that one right there, shooting a little high and left, and I knew that when I pulled the trigger, and I got the group back down where it should be. So these actually seem to shoot pretty good. Alright, we're going to do the pistol first at the water jug on the right. Hey, wait. Alright.
Never mind.
Okay, that's with the pistol. One hit right there, one hit right there. Alright. Alright, here's with the rifle. If my shitty clip will work long enough. That was a high one, I'll pick it up.
That was a high one, pick it up.
Alright, there's with the rifle. Here's pop balls. We forgot these, but they won't pop as big as the cans.
Won't pop as big as the cans.
Entry, exit. These are a lot tougher than pop cans. I guess these bottles are pretty tough. Okay, we hit off the left side, but there's what the pistol did. That's pretty damn good for a pistol round. There's a lot of lost velocity with the pistol because of the shorter barrel. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. I hate this clip. Stop. Don't buy these cheap ass mags. That's nice. Those are pretty explosive from close range. I could practically stick my arm through there. Alright, we're going to hit these fruits and vegetables with the pistol, and then we'll hit them with the rifle. There you go. Wow.
You can lay a string on
Maybe. Say you might have nicked it.
maybe. Yeah, that's stuff to
Alright, do that. Potato. Ooh! That was nice. Ooh! That was nice. Alright, there's potato. From the pistol. Alright, here's with the rifle. I think it's dead. Some of it flew under my car here. And then the rest is clear over here. Whoa. Pieces came back and hit me. It's still raining potatoes. Pieces came back and hit me. It's still raining potatoes. I don't really know to show you where the potato went because it kind of just exploded everywhere. Piece. We even had pieces fly back and hit us in the face, and it was raining potato for a minute. There's the biggest piece left of what I could find. Everything else just disintegrated.